So I have been working on my overlays using some digital assets that our digital team created at Auth0, and I just wanted to kind of show them off a little bit. As you can see, I still have the bar down here. It's the same bar I've always had. When I change scenes, I actually have a little nameplate that shows up here for a couple seconds to let you know who I am. I've also upgraded the Auth0 logo up here to animate about every minute or so. So that looks pretty cool. This is my main camera display. And if I switch over to showing you my screen, you notice I have a really nice little wipe effect that happens. And my user plate or nameplate shows up again after a little while, which is pretty cool. And if I were to switch back to my camera, we get the little wipe effect again, and my animations go off, which is pretty cool. I really like how those are turning out. That's really nice. I've also got a couple.
What do you desire?
So that's pretty cool. I just cycled through my Be Right Back screens, which you can see on my Elgato StreamDeck here, my display. You can see where I have those set up. I have a Be Right Back for Louie, a Be Right Back for Olympia, Be Right Back for Travel, and then I can hit my camera and screen to flip between the two, which is really nice. And these are actually a little complicated. If we go in and take a look at the actions that happen here, I at the top unmute my system sound and my microphone. I disable both the nameplate and my swipe orange quickly, and then switch my scenes, and then I play the swipe orange across, and if you notice there's like a little bobble in there that I don't quite like. It shows the scene and then the swipe plays. I can't figure out how to get those to work for me, so I may mess with that a little more. I then delay for 4 seconds, waiting for the animations to complete, and then I kick off my nameplate after the 4 seconds. I then deactivate my swipe, and then I kick off the Auth0 logo in the corner up there. This is just in case it happens to be disabled. Like when I go to one of my Be Right Back screens, I disable it to where it's not in view. So I always want to make sure when I go back to one of the main presenting views that it pops up and you can see it. So that's really cool. The screen macro works exactly the same way, except it goes to my screen overlay, which is pretty cool. Let's see, travel, those are fairly simple. The Be Right Back screens, they basically mute my sound to where you guys can't hear anything in the room. Plays the video, the scene video, and then let's see, I disable the logo and I play the Louie video, right? So each of my Be Right Back macros look that way. And then the final one that I have is a thanks screen that will pretty much mute my microphones, display a thank you message, thank you for watching me, so that I can kick off a raid without, having you guys watch me looking at the screen very awkwardly. So I'll show you what that looks like real quick. Very nice. I really like that. I do still have the chat kind of going over here in this little area. You see how my finger cuts off right there. Chat would be scrolling in right here. And if I go to Twitch real fast, here, let me switch over to my screen so you can see what I'm doing. And I am not myself. And then I go to my dashboard, creator dashboard, and I send a message. You can kind of see what my chat looks like right now. So it should pop up over here in just a second. Did I break it? What's going on in my overlay? Stream elements is visible. All of these elements should be locked by default. So I'm going to go back to screen. So it looks like I've broken my chat. I will need to figure that out real quick before I move on. But one of the things that I want to do on this screen scene, I don't know if you can see it right now, my screen scene, is I want it to go full screen for the majority of the time. And I want to use Michael Jolly's chat interface because it's nice little bubbles that kind of come up and disappear. And so I'll be looking into swiping that from Michael Jolly pretty soon. And that's really all I had to show you guys. So bye.